Hello world, you have been hearing of Chat GPT and using it, but do you know how it works? Well, in this video we will explore how Chat GPT works and generate human-like responses. Chat GPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning to generate human-like responses to text-based conversations. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer and refers to the architecture of the model. The ChatGPT model works by analyzing the text that is inputted into it and using that information to generate responses that are similar to what a human might say. The model has been trained on a massive dataset of text, which allows it to understand the context and meaning behind words and phrases. Now let's explore behind the scene of ChatGPT. ChatGPT uses a deep learning technology called Transformer architecture to generate human-like responses to text-based conversations. Specifically, it uses a type of transformer model called Generative Pre-trained Transformer (GPT). The GPT architecture is trained on a massive dataset of text, which allows it to learn the patterns and structures of language. During training, the model is presented with a sequence of words, and learns to predict the next word in the sequence based on the context of the previous words. This process is repeated millions of times, which helps the model to develop an understanding of language and generate responses that are coherent and relevant. When a user types in a message or question, ChatGPT analyzes the input using natural language processing (NLP) techniques to understand the context and meaning of the text. The model then generates a response based on its understanding of the input and the patterns it has learned during training. The process of generating a response involves several steps, including tokenization, breaking the input text into smaller units called tokens, embedding, representing the tokens as numerical vectors, and decoding, generating a sequence of words based on the embedded tokens. Overall, ChatGPT uses a combination of deep learning, natural language processing, and text generation techniques to generate human-like responses to text-based conversations. Hope you found it helpful. Thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative topics.